I just wanted to go ahead and tell you guys what I've been up to. I haven't had a video out in the last week and a half. Been very busy with work. I'm gonna try to continue to keep videos coming, even with my work schedule being a little bit more hectic. We're working on some things, it's taking a little longer. But I've still been ordering parts. I've still been, putting my mind to work, even though I haven't been able to get out here physically. So I went ahead and ordered a throttle body because I'm gonna be using this intake right here. And of course, there's no throttle body on the intake, and that intake is gonna end up on here. So with that being said, in order for me to get this thing going, I gotta get it put together. So I ordered this off of the internet. Link will be in the description. But I think it's a 92 millimeter, I don't even know what material it is, to be honest. I just needed a throttle body. It was like 60, I think it was like 60 bucks. Came with the sensors that will plug into the harness. And then it's still cable driven. And that's the big thing with these later 5.3s. The big thing with these is a lot of them, they're drive-by-wire, and you cannot use that drive-by-wire throttle body unless you get the actual gas pedal out of that donor vehicle, or you go buy one, which I did not have, and also did not have the computer for that. My computer is for an engine like this. This is an older 5.3. So I made the best decision I thought I could make. I went ahead and got the drive-by cable throttle body, and it bolts right up. It's just gonna bolt right here in the existing 4-bolt holes. Let's see if I can get that on there for you guys. It'll go like that. I'll screw it down or bolt it down or whatever, and then that'll be it. It'll plug in, it'll sit on the intake, and I won't have to worry about that part anymore. The other option was I could use this intake. This is an older intake, the old style throttle body here, but it's only a 3-bolt system. So you got one up top, I think one down here, and another one on this side. But you cannot interchange the throttle body off of this intake to that one without like an adapter plate. And this one's smaller anyway. So for the deal, I went ahead and went with that. And then I'll save this for maybe this engine. We got like 3 engines in here. So, I mean, it's just a matter of time before I use up all this stuff or sell it. But I'm trying to keep the newer stuff with the newer block, with the exception of the harness, because I just didn't get a harness with that block. So, also, I did acquire a couple goodies these last couple weeks. The first one I'm gonna talk to you guys about is this one. This engine. Let me see the camera real quick. This engine, literally, I went to go pick it up from a young man's house, and it was sitting sideways in the mud. I got a great deal on it. I don't really know the condition on the engine, but if there's some savable parts on it, I think I'll be okay. I'll be able to make out on it. Of course, you guys know about this one. This is the original 5.3 that I was going to put in this car to begin with, but then it got some water in the cylinders, and then I decided to just move on and save this for something later after it gets machined. And then I'll show you guys the best for last. So a buddy of mine, he had a Corvette, and they cracked the sleeve on the block, 6.2 liter and everything. and I ended up getting a great deal on some parts from him, and I ended up with a 6.2 block. It's a LS3 block, and I got the heads for it. I ended up selling the heads just because they were a little far gone for what I could do. I sold them to one of my other buddies that has access to machine shop stuff, so he can take care of them, and he's going to use them on his project. But yeah, this is the 6.2 block. It does have a cracked cylinder sleeve, but it's at the bottom. It's at the bottom of the cylinder. It's really low on the piston cylinder, so I may be able to use it. I'm not sure. Either way, if I'm not able to use it, I can sell it, and that can help fund this project. So it's all about the flip, man. A lot of this stuff, you know, may look like junk to you, but people are out there actively looking for some of these parts. And if you have spare parts, it's always good to, you know, get them posted online, because someone may just be looking for that one single part, and you know, you don't know how valuable it might be to them to get that part from you that day. So even though it may not seem like it's a lot, you know, put your stuff on the internet. If you got it and you don't need it, someone might need it. But don't have too much other stuff to show you guys. I showed you guys the throttle body, showed you guys the new engine. I have some thoughts for this engine. I'm not gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna speak on it yet as far as what my plan is for it, but I got some things in mind. I'll probably share that with you guys in a later video. But yeah, guys, I've still been working, you know, acquiring parts and just trying to stay focused, but I've been really busy with my my work, so just had to take a little back seat for a while. But if you guys like the video, you like the content that I produce here, feel free to go ahead and like, leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions, and then, you know, please subscribe. You know, if you guys want to see updates, you want to be the first one to see the updates, hit the bell. But yeah, subscribe. You guys can follow me, follow this build. This is the current state, guys. You know, 87 Buick Regal. You know, it's the current state right now. It's a good before. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks again. Peace.